In high-income countries, more than 90% of all children reach the basics in reading and math. In contrast, in African countries, 90% of all children do not reach those levels. And even worse, the forecasts predict that we will only see small improvements over the next years. To find a solution, we analyzed the most successful interventions. But what we saw directly is that these interventions combined only improved the situation by a tiny bit. To solve the problem on a global scale, it was obvious we need something radically different. Instead of creating yet another isolated intervention, we needed a meta-intervention.
It all starts with content. We created a software platform that integrates very different types of content, from exercises directly for students to guides and other materials for teachers. And all of that in partnership with external organizations that create this great content. For the schools, the setup of the system is extremely easy. Teachers only have to take a picture of each student and they're ready to go. All content is structured according to the local curriculum and in the local language. And our amazing team on the ground assists teachers with continuous support, training and coaching. But which content works best for each individual teacher and each individual child? Without constantly measuring learning outcomes, we wouldn't know. Therefore, we also digitized globally recognized assessment tools, like EGMA and EGRA, for example. Each child automatically gets those test exercises repeatedly over many years. And this will create the biggest pool of learning data in the world. Every single day we'll collect more assessment results than PISA collects once every 3 years. Analyzing this data allows us to personalize individual learning journeys for each child, and it allows us to optimize each aspect of the platform for maximum learning. By providing those analyses back to the content creators, we create a virtuous cycle of ever-increasing learning outcomes.